This fire will burn everybody, including the BPP.
Habdang jingiki ke Voice of the People Party bandawa man penbej ke reservation policy hakabo presiden ke seng ba arde mele besai moy ula pelong ke jing syatkan klembu por menteri ketenar puli putih ke jela urakam Sangma hakab santri jemang ula Kynthoh ke VPP dak boong ba ke Jingleh ke VPP kan wan ra jing ya ke jela. Haba Kynthoh ba ke Jingleh ke VPP ke Tang ke Jingleh Politik bar ke Jingleh drama Sangma ulama ham ba ke Supreme Court kadang pej benia ya ke jinglong jingman lada kani ke yai beteng bat ulong bengile kai bat keding bat kan ing ya baro Kynthoh ya ke VPP kan penjot ya ke lawai jogi samla jongi.
I think we are like playing with the fire. This fire will burn everybody, including the BPP. Because this drama, this politics will destroy the future of our students.
Kusang maula kedau rui ke kes ha Supreme Court ha usnam arja khatsau hakaba ke yeng ke syari kala pendam no ke hukum jong sarkar Maharashtra halor ke bahakam bar kala ai ke jing pentip sebaro ke jela ha kari ke Kynthoh rui ke Meghalaya hakabala penken mau ke jela bau put bala ban sha ulong 100% na benta ke bah tungkam tungjam.
Meghalaya enjoying 85% of job reservation in the state of Meghalaya for our locals, for our state people. Look, when the Honorable Supreme Court given us the notice to reply, Government of Meghalaya on 27/3/2021 has submitted our reply with justification why we are having 85% of job reservation for the state of Meghalaya, for the Khasi and the Garo and the indigenous tribes of the state. I'm worried today if the Honorable High Court and the Honorable Supreme Court take off that matter. I'm worried today what will happen to us.
Sangma uloong rubo kren kumu jaj mendeu Garo lani kumu rakam Sangma handrei kumu menteri ketenar ke puli putih hapo ke jela berula benrap.
I'm sorry today. I'm not speaking as a Garo. I'm not speaking as a Rakam Sangma, but I'm speaking today as a Education Minister of the state. We should understand the consequence of all of this drama. My friends, my elder brother, Ba'arden Basamut, the president of BPP, is a senior leader. He's like my brother. He's an educated man. He should know the consequence of all this. If anything happen, I think I'm saying today as education minister of the state, because I think with this kind of politics and the drama